Okay. Yesterday we discussed the partial fraction type 1, type 2, type 3. So using that we may find out inverse Z transforms. While finding inverse Z transforms, if you want to use partial fraction means what? Already I told you, numerator degree should be less than denominator. Otherwise, you have to divide and add. That should be followed strictly. Correct, Anna? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll do some few problems. We'll go fast actually. I think very well. I have less days, I think. So when is your exam? Cycle test they announced. It's postponed. It's the last day working day is 23, I hope. Correct or not? When is cycle test date is given? Has come? No. Maybe after 23 they will make it actually. Now we can find the Z inverse. Z minus 4 by Z plus 2 Z plus 3. So seeing this very happy. Denominator degree is 2, numerator degree is 1. So I can able to attack. Actually what you will do, this is a type 1 actually. This is denominator we have actually 2 factors you can take. 2 constants you can take. Numerator is what single degree. So no problem. So this I will write actually. Taking this separately. How can you write actually? Which type you will come? Which comes under which type? Denominator contain linear factors which are not factorized. Which type?
Type 1.
Type 1. Correct? Huh? So this how can I write actually? This fellow is equal to actually here itself you got an answer actually. Z inverse of 1 by Z plus 2. What is the answer? You can tell me. If you are able to find out means what will be Z inverse of A into 1 by Z plus 2, B into 1 by Z plus 3. There itself we got answer. What is the answer? Tell me. So without A, so Z inverse of 1 by Z plus 2, Z inverse of 1 by Z plus 3 itself we got answer. So what is the answer? Tell me. One by Z minus A is what is the formula? Z inverse of 1 by Z minus A. I told you can remember, I don't remember. This minus of minus 2 I can write. A to the power of K minus 1, we got it or not? So this answer I can tell you from here, A into minus 2 to the power of K minus 1, minus 3 to the power of K minus 1. My job is what? Answer already in my hands. But thing is what? If I able to tell my A and B values, my job is over. Correct? So find out now how you will find out A, B fast. Just I'll skip these steps. So put Z is equal to minus 3, put Z is equal to minus 2, automatically will get. So this I am not doing, this I will write directly. So I got actually A is equal to minus 6, B is equal to 7. You know on that procedure, put Z is equal to minus 2 means what this become vanish, A will stands. Put Z is equal to minus 3 means what B will stands. This you will get. So totally how can I write? Who is my A? Minus 6 into Z inverse This if you want, you can write minus of 3. This you can write minus of minus 2. Now we got, I told you actually once AB only constant only. Looking the question itself, you can able to tell. 1 by z plus 2, what is the answer? You have to tell me, your job is over. 1 by z plus 3, what is the answer? If you tell, your job is over. So that's very, very important. Now tell me what is the answer already I told you. 1 by z minus a formula is what? 1 by z minus a formula is what? Studied or not? Formula is already given yesterday. I told you read like this. What is the formula? A to the power of k minus 1. So this what you will get actually? Minus 6 minus 2 to the power of k minus 1. They will write actually this is valid k is equal to greater than or equal to 1. So they will include one unitary step function, u of k minus 1. Already I told you u of k is equal to 1 when k is greater than or equal to 0. So u k of minus 1 is valid when k minus 1 are greater than or equal to. So that is the meaning is what? K greater than or equal to 1. So one unit validity they will take. Plus 7 into that is when it's valid, the telling reason of conversion. So if they are telling u of k minus 3, don't worry. Copy down, copy. Copied or not? Say yes or no, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now clear or not? Why I am writing u of k minus 1 means what? Already unit step function I defined it. U of k is equal to 1 when k greater than or equal to 0. 0, then k, that is the other values. Similarly, u of k minus 1 is when it is valid k minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Correct? Otherwise, remaining values, it's not valid. Just note down fast. We complete another 2-3 days. We complete the whole syllabus, I think. So after that, we somewhat we revision or something we can do. Shall we have copy? Copied or not?
Sir, can you please send u of k minus 1 again?
Share about.
Sir, can you please tell u of k minus 1 once again?
That unit step function I explained, unit step function how I explained is in table. You can see formula given is 1 when k is greater than or equal to 0. That is 0 or otherwise. That is called unit step function. Only one only it's valid. For every value we get one only. For unit step only I will take. Correct or not? So this is valid. This series from where it's valid actually 2k pi minus means what? K minus 1 is greater than 0. So that is what from k is equal to 1 only, it's k greater than or equal to 1 only. My series is valid. That's what I mean. Sometimes they are asking the reason of convergence. There are given, so table are given, you can go back and check unit step function and impulsive step function, derivate delta, I told you, that values. Correct? Any doubt? So this is power
No, sir.
I'm writing u of k minus 1. U of k minus 1 when it is valid, k minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. U of k means k greater than or equal to 0. U k minus 1 means what? K minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Suppose k minus 2 means what? A of k minus 2 I will write. So from this what you write? K minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. That is the way. In EC students and signal systems and DSP everywhere they will use actually unit step function. Okay, shall above clear?
Yes, sir.
For validity, I am telling actually minus 2k minus 1 z trans this out n is equal to 0 to infinity. I am telling So in this case, what I am telling just actually can write it n also. N or k both are same. I told So that when the validity will come, my k value, what values this series will start. That is the meaning. Correct? the same problem. So always you can see once if you start the Z transforms means what? Numerator degree should be less than denominator. Otherwise you have to divide them. Only I can go for the partial fractions. Correct? So what I will do here? So is it happy or not? Z minus 4 numerator degree is what? Numerator degree is what?
1, sir.
Denominator 2. So happy. Numerator should be always less than denominator. So I can proceed furtherly. So what I will do here? Actually, this which type I can write this is? Which type?
Second type, sir.
Second type. So degree is what? Third degree. So I want to take three constants in my hand. Then I will write A by Z minus 1, B by Z minus 2, C by Z minus 2 whole square. You see the beauty of the problem. Here itself I can tell the answer. But thing is what? I want to tell the answer with ABC. Correct or not? So here itself I can tell the answer. What is the answer? Suppose, forget about this A. This how can I write? Z inverse of 1 by Z minus 1. Z inverse of 1 by Z minus 2. Z inverse of 1 by Z minus 2 whole square. Tell me what is the answer? See, it's already that what? Suppose ABC are what? Constant only. Once if I know the constant means what my problem fully completed. Suppose if I take it for granted A value is equal to 1, 2, 3 like this. AB. So Z inverse of 1 by Z minus 1, what is the value? Now only I said there. 1 by Z minus A is equal to what?
So A 1 is the power
Huh?
A minus
1 by Z minus A is equal to what? A to the power of K minus 1.
1. A to the power K minus 1.
So this is what can you write? 1 to the power of K minus 1. Unitary function K minus 1 you can write. This fellow is what? B into 2 to the power of K minus 1 you take. But 1 by Z minus whole square is what is the formula?
So
Check,
K minus
check.
1, A to the power N minus 1.
I told you read the problem actually because I don't remember. We are not do really once all I will do. This trans I cannot remember. I can do the problem, but I don't. So brain is very small. I can don't remember. Laplace everything we can tell nicely, but here lot of small things I can't. So you should remember and tell me. So this what is the formula sir? 1 by Z minus A whole square. Something you told now. Somebody told.
So I said K minus 1, A into A to the power N minus 1. But it's for A upon Z
Very
minus
good.
1.
That is K minus 1 into A to the power of K minus 1. Correct? So this what you will get actually K minus 1 into 2. So see, looking this, we can able to tell the answer A into 1 to the power of K minus 1, B into 2 to the power of K minus 1. This is what I'm telling. C into K minus 1 into 2 to the K minus 1. See, answer in your hand. But thing is what? You have to find ABC. That's it. Looking this, you can able to answer itself, you got it or not. But thing is what? Something you can do magic mathematically, you can find ABC. So this ABC I am taken for granted. You know this how you will get Z minus 1 is equal to A into Z minus 2 whole square, B into Z minus 1, Z minus 2, C into Z minus 1. Put the Z is equal to 1, Z is equal to 2. Comparing both side highest degree, you will get ABC. Can I skip actually? I am writing directly ABC. Can you able to do or not? Tell me. Or you want me to do? I will skip that step. Correct? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir, we can.
I can skip actually, can try. If you don't get, I'll help you. So from this, after putting z is equal to 1, z is equal to 2, the comparing constants, what I will get, just wait. So everything in my hand available. Now I can tell you. Without knowing ABC also, I can tell the answer. Looking this A into 1 by Z minus means I can tell. So the answer I know. So one thing is what the whole problem is full complete. So now go back and substitute it. This how can you write? Again you can write this. Z inverse of what is who is A sir? What I got? Actually, we have one formula also. A by Z minus C also there. If you want to use A, this also. That is your wish, nothing will happen. A by Z minus C also is there, I think. So what is the formula? A power K, yeah? Check. One formula given A by Z minus A also there. If you want, you can think actually by practice you will get. C is what, sir? So if you write separately,
Sir, C should be -2 and B should be 3.
C?
C should be -2, sir.
C should be -2. Huh? Acha. He is taking Z minus 2, sir. Correct. C is what? P is 3, huh? Wait. He is taken fractions differently. Okay. He is taken -3. B. C is -2, correct. Because he is taken this B by something, Z minus 2 square. What is value got?
So B would be 3 and C would be -2 for us.
B is 3, C is -2. Correct. But whatever may be A, B, C, that same fractions you will get. He is taken B by Z minus 2 square, I taken C by. Okay, thank you, sir. So what you will do? I know the answer itself actually. So tell me, okay, then this also I have to change, Here is what? So what you will get, this is B minus 1 for K minus 1. If you want, write U to the power of K minus 1. So this is valid. K is equal to greater than or equal to 1 only. It's valid, like this is a meaning. So because my transform series starts from 0 to infinity, in that this particular problem may be valid from K greater than or equal to 1. So this is what is the formula I was telling, sir? 1 by Z minus 2 whole square. One by
K
Z
minus
Huh?
K minus 1 A to the power of K minus 1.
So means what? Unit step function y I am writing, this is valid from K minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. That is what the series will be valid K greater than or equal to 0. Not down fast. Like this, some problems you can try. Then another type is that fz by z also I can prepare. That also very beautiful problems are there. We do. assignment 3 can before Monday can complete, sir. Maximum all of you. At least on Monday, before or on Monday you can submit. This is it. Now we see denominator degree is what? What is denominator degree? Denominator degree is what? What?
2.
Then numerator?
Also 2.
Numerator degree is what?
2, sir.
So both are same is what I said. Always if you want to do partial fraction means what? Numerator should be less than denominator. Okay, yeah. But here what how it is there? Both are same. You have to divide, bring to single degree, then you can write a by z minus 5 by b by z plus 2. But in this case, see how they beautifully they will give. One z they will give, take common they will take actually. This whole thing I will prepare as a f of z. Then f of z by z I will prepare. Then after completing, I will insert the z. It can be allowed here actually in z transforms. The whole problem I will take f of z by 1. See, then when it is possible, if I able to pull outside z only, otherwise can't. Correct? Understanding? So this how can I write actually? Instead of dividing, I will write f of z is equal to z square minus 3z by this 1z guarantee 99.99% it will come common. So you can pull outside. If you are not able to pull outside means what? There is no escape. We have to do divide, then you can bring it, then 1 plus or something by z, f of z by z, like this you have to do. So here I can, chances are there, 99% z transform, suppose equal degree means what? Guarantee they will go 1z I can pull out. See z square z. From here I can z pull outside. So then how can I write here? It can be allowed, sir, actually. Then I will prepare partial fractions. Once if I prepare partial fractions, I will take that side. So it's allowed only in z transform now here. So because z by z minus 5 I get because we have a one formula actually z by z minus a. So that's why it's bringing this and they are taking outside, taking. Otherwise, after doing the problem again, variable means we can't do. Correct? So, what I am telling, yes. Now we can prepare the partial fraction for fz by z. Once if we get the a and b, this z you can take this side. So what you will get? A into z by z minus 1 plus b into z by z plus 2. So already ready-made formula in my hand available and like that. Any problem? Right? So this you can write actually this is what f of z is z inverse of fz by z. This if I find out what I will get this. I think I'm doing something wrong. All are sleeping. Some mistake I've done. Nobody is telling. Bad.
So z minus 3 in the numerator.
I'm testing if you are sleeping or not. See, let me say correctly. See how to tell me. No. So only chances degree same means what I have to divide. Here I cannot divide, I prepare fz by z because beautiful is what? There is a formula is that, that's why I'm preparing. So this whole fellow is what I will prepare z minus 3 by 2. This how can I write? A by z minus 5 plus b by. Now think, suppose I got it ABC, then finally where I will reach actually fz by z is equal to a by this fellow, b by this fellow, a and got. So if you take this z this side, so what is the answer? Z by z minus a is what is the formula? Tell me. What is the formula? Z by z minus a. See, fz by z I will prepare, sir, I will get AB value. This is equal to, so z minus a is equal to, I will prepare AB value. Once if I AB will be what I want to find z inverse of f of z. For my convenience, I am writing fz by z. Again, I have to take z is inside or not. So if I take what I will get a into z by z minus 5, b into z plus z2. Forget about AB, I will find out, no problem. But z inverse of z by z minus 5 is answer is what? Tell me.
E to the power n.
Huh?
A raised to the power n, sir.
A to the power of n. So this is what actually 5 to the power of n. This is what? Minus 2 to the power of n. Correct? Any problem? See how ready-madely available for me answers. Thing is what this LKG problem. If you are able to find AB means what? My job is over. Correct? So what is AB value? Correct? Tell me. Anyone found it? This how can you write same story?
So 2 by 7 and 5 by 7.
Wait, coming. What is AB value? What is A? A is equal to how much?
So
2
2
by
by
7.
2 by 7. B value? B value?
5 by 7.
5 by 7. Correct? I'm trusting and writing this, you can check. So, fz by z is equal to, how can I write actually? 2 by 7, 1 by z minus 5. Then, plus 5 by 7, 1 by z plus 2. See, how nicely, I know the answer there itself, z by z minus 5 is equal to something you said, z by something you said. So, this how can I write actually? 2 by 7, z by z minus 5. See, I prepared fz by z. I used up to somewhere. I tell to thanks him to ask him to get out actually. Okay, your job is working. You helped me a lot. So I want to bring back to my f of z. Correct or not? So I prepared. So then what I will get? This is 5 by 7. This is how you write. Z by z plus 2. Now z inverse of f of z is equal to what? 2 by 7 z inverse of z by z minus 5 plus 5 by 7 z inverse of z by z plus 2. Correct. Now already you know what is this formula. Tell me, somebody you are telling. What is the formula? Wait. I told you I'm very weak in the Z transfer formulas. I will check and tell you. What is the formula? Not studied, sir. Formulas very bad. People, which problem I done?
So it should be a to the power n.
What?
A to the power n, sir.
So this what you will get? One answer is 5 to the power of n, then minus to the power of n. If you want, you can let u n greater than or equal to 0, valid. So this fellow is equal to what? Where I am standing? Yeah, this. So next class, fully formulas read and come, sir. Now tell me, this formula is what? 2 by 7 a. Who is my a? 5 to the power of n. Then this is what? I think z by z minus c I want. So plus 2 I prepare minus of minus 2. So 5 by 7. How can I write? Minus 2 power n. This is valid is what? N is greater than or equal to 0. Or if you want, you can write, if you want only strongly, you can write u of n. This you can multiply with. There is no need to tell. Once if you multiply by 5 power n into unit step u of n is what? It's understanding. Nature is what? U of n is equal to 1 when n greater than or equal to 0. Otherwise 0. So instead of telling this one line, if you want, you can multiply u of n. Right or wrong? Okay. Then I will stop here. I will take attendance. You can come there. I will come there. There, my desktop. Okay or not? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Nobody talking, sir. Very bad.
No doubt, sir.
Now give me at least 1, 2,
Present, sir.
3,
So number 1 present.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6, 7, 8,
Present, sir.
9,
9 present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
12 present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
15 present, sir.
16,
16 present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19.
Present, sir.
Those who are sick, you can leave, sir. No problem. 20,
Present, sir.
21, 22,
Present, sir.
23, 24.
Present, sir.
Huh?
24 present, sir.
What happens? So done. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
29 present, sir. Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32,
Present, sir.
33,
Present, sir.
34,
Present, sir.
35, 36,
Present, sir.
37,
Present, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
39, 40,
So there is no 39, so 40 present.
41, 42.
41, sir.
present, sir.
Those who say you can leave, no problem. 41,
Sir, 41 present.
42,
42 present, sir.
43, 44,
Present, sir.
45,
Present, sir.
46,
Present, sir.
47,
Present, sir.
48,
Present, sir.
49,
Present, sir.
50,
Present, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52,
52 present, sir.
53,
Present, sir. 53.
55,
55 present, sir.
56.
So there's no 56.
Thank you. 57,
57 present, sir.
58,
Present, sir.
59,
Present, sir.
60,
Present, sir.
61,
Present, sir.
62,
Present, sir.
63.
Present, sir.
Okay, see, so many people are there. No, not given address, but people are there.
7 present, sir.
What
Or
happened?
25 present, sir. Number 1 present, sir.
21 present. Okay, then
23, sir. Number 1.
what are
35
you?
present, sir.
25. Okay. Then what are you doing?
35.
23.
23 taken. But what are you doing in calling?
35 present, sir.
Okay, sir. When I calling, what are you doing?
So 25. I was having my
Join later. Okay, taken. No problem. Next.
Sir, 27 present.
Okay, 27. Yes. Now everybody is there, but 20 people are
So
not.
number 1 present.
Number 1 given present.
35 present.
30.
Sir, 41 present.
35.
7 taken, sir.
Taken. Present.
Sir, roll number 28 present, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 41 also.
Done.
So 35 present, sir.
35 taken.
So 11.
11 taken.
Sir, 41. Sir,
41.
20.
How many times you will say taken? No problem. Still there are people are there. Sir, you all of you given attendance, sir. Just are mobiles only alive there. People are not there. Deepak, go on the Sudarshan. Mudit is there.
Sir, yes, sir.
Leave in what I'm doing. Govind, are you there?
Oh, yes, sir. I'm there, sir.
Okay, leave.
Okay, sir. Okay.
No class for you. Next, no class.